Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to quickly create a project and just create an HTML file in it, and then how to push that to GitHub so you can use it later on from this computer or other computers. So first we'll start. So I open my command prompt, and what I'll do is cd into desktop. So I went just DES and then tabbed, and then it came up with desktop. Now what I'll do is I'll make a folder on my desktop here. So what I'll do is I'll type mkdir, and then I'll put the name of the folder name I want it to be. So for here I'll just put example project, hit enter. Alright, and now what I'll have to do is go into that example project. So I'll do cd EX and I'll hit tab since example project is the only thing I have on my desktop that starts with EX. It automatically came up. And then I'll hit enter, and now I'm in it. And so what I'll do now is open up in Visual Studio Code. So all I need to do for me is I'll do code space period, and that'll open this up in Visual Studio Code. So I'm just in the folder, there are no files in it, so I'm just going to create a quick HTML. So I'll go up here and do add the file, and I'm just going to call it index.html. And then in here I'll just do an h1 tag. So I'll do h1, and then I'm going to put hello everyone, exclamation point, and I'll just hit Control S to save it. So now if I pull it up in my files here, you can see that on my PC on my desktop, I went into the folder example project, and now there's this index file. So if I just double click on that, it'll pull up in Google Chrome, and it says hello everyone. So we know that works. So what I'll do now is I'm going to push it to GitHub here. So I'm on my repository page, so I'll just hit new for a new repository. I'll call it example project, and then I'll make it private, and I'm just going to go down and hit create repository. Now what I'll do is I'm going to base what I put in our terminal from this section of commands right here. So I'll go back into Visual Studio Code for me. I'm going to hit to new terminal, and then we'll start with git init. Okay. The next one we'll do is git add, but we're not going to do readme. We're just going to do git space add space period. Okay, so that adds all the files that are in here. And then also as a side note, make sure everything is saved before you start this process. So this will show a 1 or a 2 or however many files that are unsaved that you're working on. You'll want to make sure everything is saved, and then you'll start the process of pushing your project to GitHub. So I did git init, git add. So now I'll do git commit, and then in here it says first commit, but you can put anything in there. If you're working on, let's say, a nav bar, you can put style the nav bar or whatever you worked on, and then push it to GitHub. So I'll do git commit -m, open parentheses. I'm just going to do first commit as well. Hit enter. Okay. And then the next is, I'm going to skip this one. I'm going to do git remote add origin. So this HTTPS is the same from up here, but I'm just going to copy all this and Control V, and then hit enter. And then now I'll do git push u origin. I am not going to do main, so for me it's called master. So git push u origin master, and it pushed it to GitHub. Now I've done this. I'm already logged into GitHub. It's associated with my account, but you might have to log in with your username and password, or it might not be a password, but you might have to create a key for that. I'm sure there's videos out there explaining how to do that. If I can, I will make a video later on how to create a key for that. So if I go to my GitHub here, if I hit refresh for my example project, boom, there it is. And it says hello everyone. So that is how you quickly create a new project and push it to GitHub. If you have any questions, you can ask them below. But thanks for watching.